Hey y'all, it's a rainy, gloomy day out today, but I wanted to sit down for a minute and show y'all what I'm working on. So this project means a lot to me. I am making it for my son's ABA therapist, and I thought it would be nice to take you guys along with me as I work on it. So today I'm going to be using a 220 sandpaper grit for this board. It's already really smooth and I don't want to take off too much, but I want to take off just enough that if they sealed it or something, you want that gone. That way my X-Tool machine can make a clean image. Then what I like to do is I like to take a damp rag, not too wet, just enough, and wipe off all the debris that was left over from the sandpaper. Okay, now I'm going to go through and click on the bitmap mode and click on the Floyd. The reason that I'm clicking on the Floyd is because I want to get the fur texture in there. Okay, so before and after every project, I always remove this part here and clean underneath because that's where it has the most soot and debris. As you can see, a lot fell out after cleaning, so I'm going to wipe that up and then drop this down over here on the side. See, look at all that. Drop this down and level it up and then tighten it back up, and then we'll get started on framing. So when I first started doing these boards, I didn't know to sand the actual board before engraving. And I have to say that sanding them first makes all the difference in the world. I'm just so excited. Alright, so this is the sealant that I use for all of my wood burning projects. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. If you are using an X-Tool machine, don't forget to crack your windows and turn on a fan. Until next time.